You are not behind. Most people confidently using AI today started less than a year ago. This is the fastest honest on-ramp I can give you. 6 short chapters, what these tools actually are, what they can't do, your first hour, 1 prompt formula, a starter toolkit, and a 30-day plan. No jargon, no hype. Let's start with the machine itself. First, the engine under every chatbot, the large language model. Forget the sci-fi framing for a second. What surprised me when I finally understood this was how simple the core idea is and how much that one idea explains. Here's the one metaphor you need. A search engine looks things up, a language model predicts. Read a giant slice of the internet and learn one trick to a superhuman level. Guess the next word. Ask a question and it writes the most plausible continuation, one word at a time. It's not fetching an answer from a database. It's finishing your sentence brilliantly. That trick scales in ways nobody fully expected. Stack billions of learned patterns and the guessing gets so good it can draft emails, explain contracts, and write working code. It's why answers feel eerily human. But hold on to this, fluent is not the same as true. The model optimizes for plausible, and plausible is usually, not always, correct. That gap is Chapter 2. Chapter 2, Honest Capabilities. Nobody selling you a course starts here, which is exactly why I do. Knowing where these tools break is what separates people who look smart using AI from people who get burned by it. On the left, the stuff it's genuinely great at: drafting, rewriting, summarizing, explaining, brainstorming. Language in, language out. On the right, the trust boundaries. It will state wrong facts with total confidence. That's called hallucination, and in my experience, it never fully goes away. It's also shaky on precise arithmetic and anything after its training cutoff. Verify anything that matters. Watch this pattern, because you'll hit it in week 1. I asked for a legal case that doesn't exist, and the model happily invented one: name, year, confident tone, all fabricated. Then I pushed back, and it folded immediately. So here's my rule. Anything with a name, number, date, or link gets checked before I repeat it anywhere. Chapter 3. Your first hour, today if possible. The goal is not to learn AI in the abstract. The goal is one small win on a task from your actual life, because that's what makes it stick. Pick one chatbot, any of the big ones, the free tier is fine, and ignore everything else for now. Then run 3 tasks from your own life. Rewrite an email you already sent and compare. Paste in a document you've been avoiding and ask for a summary with the 3 key points. Then plan something real, a trip, a week of meals, a difficult conversation. Here's what a first win looks like. A real overdue invoice email, rewritten in seconds, friendly, firm, no awkwardness. And notice the second message. I just said shorter, and it obeyed. That back and forth is the actual skill. You're not writing one perfect request, you're having a conversation and steering it. Honestly, that realization alone puts you ahead of most beginners. Chapter 4. The only prompt formula I actually use. There are 100-page prompt guides out there. Skip them honestly. 4 ingredients cover 90% of everyday use, and you already know all 4 words. Here it is. Role, task, context, format. Give it a role. You are an experienced hiring manager. Give it a task. Review my resume. Give it context. I'm applying for junior marketing roles. Here's the job ad. And give it a format. 5 bullet points, bluntest first. Miss the context and you get generic mush. Miss the format and you get an essay you didn't want. Same request, formula applied, and look at the difference. Specific, prioritized, actually usable. Nothing about this is advanced, it's just being a good delegator. My habit now is typing the 4 headers first and filling them in. It takes 20 extra seconds and saves 3 rounds of disappointing answers. Next up, which tools actually deserve a spot in your toolkit? Chapter 5, the Starter Toolkit. I'm giving you categories, not brand worship, because the leaderboard reshuffles every few months. 4 slots is all a beginner needs. Anything more is procrastination dressed up as research. Slot 1, a general chatbot. That's your daily driver, and the free tiers are genuinely usable as of mid-2026. Slot 2, an image tool for quick visuals. Slot 3, a meeting notes tool that records and summarizes calls. For me, this one quietly became the biggest time saver of the 4. Slot 4, an automation tool that passes work between your apps. Fill them one at a time. Last chapter, the 30-day roadmap. Consistency beats intensity here. 10 minutes a day for a month will beat a single weekend binge every time, and honestly, it's a lot easier to actually do. Week 1. Use your chatbot daily on real tasks, nothing fancy. Week 2. Apply the role task context format formula to everything and feel the answers sharpen. Week 3. Add one more tool from the toolkit, just one. Week 4. Pick a chore you repeat every week and automate or template it. Do that, and in 30 days you're past most of the people who started before you. The whole course in one breath. Language models predict text. They don't look facts up, so verify anything that matters. Start with one tool and 3 tasks from your real life. Prompt with role, task, context, and format. Build a 4-slot toolkit, then run the 30-day plan at 10 minutes a day. That's genuinely the whole on-ramp. That's the course. If one thing sticks, make it this. Open a chatbot today and run those 3 first-hour tasks, the 60-minute version of everything I just said. Subscribe if you want the next lesson, where I break down prompts that consistently outperform the lazy ones. And if this helped, a like genuinely helps the channel. See you in that one.